Right now we think in triangles and squares and circles, and our math tells us that that's the way things work. If there's anything that's coming down the road that could potentially obsolete some of the ways that we currently manufacture, we want to become the best at that new technology.
UMC is known for our precision machining capabilities. We work with the top 10 medical device OEMs and high-level aviation and aerospace customers. And that has us dealing with regulated environments that continue to stretch our internal capabilities.
We are about 70% medical. The other 30% of the work that we do is aerospace.
Our machines are known for their ability to hold tolerances that need to be exact. They have no room for error.
We go down to the submicron level, down to 40 millionths of an inch. To put that in perspective, a piece of human hair is about 4 thousandths of an inch thick. So we're 2 decimal places past a human hair.
So it's been very important for us to be in this conversation and partnering early. For us, offering the metal printing as an option to understand the interaction between traditional methods of machining and these additive methods maintains that competitive edge for UMC.
Desktop Metal's been a great partner. We recently installed our studio system, and so we've started using that for fixture holding.
We're using the additive manufacturing quite a bit for end arm effectors, so we can use the organic capabilities of the 3D printer to form to those parts better and manipulate them better. We're also using them to integrate some of our safety sensors, and anything that's custom, we can print a 3D printed bracket to fit right into the cell how we need it to. Being able to use the printer, we can print fixtures that more closely replicate the parts to match the human body. In the 3D printing world, having that less is more mentality, shorter prints, less material used, less cost associated to us.
It's touched a lot of different areas of our plant. We have utilized it now to the point where we aren't really able to go away from it anymore. We are dependent upon it. Along with our conventional machining, our tool room machining, additive has just helped us do those little extra things that would have been much harder to do had we not implemented it.
Not being a part of this conversation would be a completely missed opportunity.
If we don't start down the journey right now, we'll never be ahead of it.
I'm very excited about it. I think it's a great technology and it can only get better with time. And as we learn more about it, it becomes more integrated into what we do, and we'll be able to better utilize it than we even currently do.
Seeing 3D printing coming on the scene, partnering with traditional manufacturing, it's going to be a very exciting time to see where this goes. When the Wright brothers took flight, that changed the world. When the internet came out, that changed the world. Every single industrial revolution or every single change that we've had in manufacturing, the next one happens faster than the previous one. Our world's going to change fast as far as just technology, the way that we look at doing things, and really metal printing fits right into that. And so this is definitely going to catapult us into a new era.